Becoming an international business with international global clients and customers is like the holy grail, right? But sometimes targeting local businesses for web design projects is a strategic approach because sometimes there could be low competition in your specific area. Now, I know in some villages or cities and towns, you might have other web designers as well. But if you start to cater for certain businesses or services, they might not have like a dedicated web designer for that niche area. From my experience, most local clients require like a brochure website. It might be a one pager or a simple 4 5 pager. The home, about, the services, maybe a gallery or a portfolio page. And normally they have a contact page. A lot of these projects will not command a high price, but what they provide is valuable experience and networking. And when you get in there with one business, it usually opens doors to other like minded businesses as well. And a lot of the businesses in your local town or even your local village, city, or wherever you are, they do talk to one another. They may be part of like a chambers of commerce or a business networking LinkedIn group or something. If they start to share how well you designed their website or even the advice, look, there are so many businesses I've worked with where we have not designed their website, but the search engine optimization tips, advice about social media, connecting to other people, that then turns into a word of mouth referral for something else. And another great thing about working with local businesses is that they can be quite small, but that then means it's a simple website as well. They're not trying to do what major brands and retailers are doing. They just want a simple website to get out what they do and how you can contact them. So it's a quicker, easier turnaround. Now, don't get me wrong, there's only going to be so many businesses that are local to you, and eventually you're going to dry them all up, or maybe you don't get much business with them. But if you start reaching out to those local businesses, there's a very high chance that your reputation, your expertise, and word of mouth referrals will increase. And I know for one that a lot of businesses like to work locally. A lot of consumers and customers, they like to go to the local shop. They could either drive 5, 10 minutes down the road and go to a bigger retailer, maybe even get a bigger discount. If they know they can support a local business, they're quite happy to do that. So when you're reaching out to some businesses, let them know where you are. You don't have to give them your specific exact address, but let them know that you're local to the area. Maybe you've just moved in, let them know where you came from and what you like about the area. Try and talk about things that you have in common because it will help to build a much better working relationship and a potential client and potential income and increased revenue.